All right, now we need a tool to connect to MySQL and manage our database. There are many different tools out there. You can use MySQL Workbench, which is absolutely free, and you can get it from mysql.com. Personally, I've used it a lot in the past. It gets the job done, but quite frankly, it's not the best tool out there. We also have Table Plus, which is a great tool. It's very lightweight and it supports many different database engines. So it's not limited to MySQL. And of course, that comes with a price. At the time of recording this video, the license for Table Plus is $59. And by the way, I'm not an affiliate for Table Plus or any other products. These are the tools that I've personally used and introduced in my courses. And of course, there are many other tools out there. You can research and find your favorite tool. We also have DataGrip, which is my favorite tool. I believe this is the best database tool in the market because it's built by JetBrains, which is the same company that has built IntelliJ, WebStorm, ReSharper, and many other amazing tools. And of course, this is the most expensive product. You can get a license for $89 for the first year, but for the second and third years, the price will reduce to $70 and $50. So every year you have to pay to use DataGrip. Having said that, you can download a trial version and use it for free. So if you want to follow along with me, you can just download it. You don't need to provide a credit card. Just download it and use it for 30 days. So the first time you open it, you're going to see this window. We're going to evaluate it for free. Now you can optionally supply your email address. Then evaluate. Great. So this is our tool. We're going to create a new project. We can call that Storefront. Now over here, you're going to click on the plus sign to create a new data source, which is going to be MySQL. So look, there's so many data sources available here. You can use Amazon Redshift, Apache Cassandra, and so many other data sources. So let's go with MySQL. Now on this dialog box, you can give your connection a name. I'm going to accept the default. Next, we're going to specify the host, which is localhost. The port by default is 3306. The user should be root, and the password should be the password that you set when installing MySQL server. So I'm going to type my password here. Now pay attention to this error. We have missing driver files. So let's download them. Good. Now let's test the connection. We get this error saying server returns invalid time zone. So let's set the time zone. Now over here, let's set the time zone to UTC. Press tab and test the connection one more time. Okay, we successfully connected to MySQL server. Perfect. Let's click on OK. Now let's right click on localhost and go to new query console. Now in this console window, we can type SQL commands. So for this course, we're going to create a database called Storefront. We have to create the database first before we can connect with it using Django. So even if you're not using DataGrip, let's say if you're using MySQL Workbench, you need to create a database called Storefront or whatever you want to call it. Now, to execute this, we click on this icon. Good. So we have a new database called Storefront, and we're going to use this in the next lesson.